I'm Mini. My husband is Sasi Naya. We are in Klang. My husband just turned 60, and then before turning 60, he thought of having a lift in the house because it'll be convenient for us, you see. So it's not a pre-planned idea or what. And our staircase is a bit like narrow at the back because this house is just a single story. We made it double story, and our staircase is not this one we had to just do up a new staircase. It's a bit narrow, and then we are having it in our porch itself, not in the house. It's very much convenient if we are having a sit out or what, and we just need to. And our guests, they don't need to go into the house, just from the. Whenever any friends or family, when they come, wow, you have a lift in the house with a double story, just a double story, and then you have a lift in the house. That's a wow from them. And then it's specially made for his name is there. It's designed for husband's name. So it's specially designed with his name in it. So very excited. They are very excited to go up and come down.